everybody, welcome back. As many of you know, Hurricane Helene has devastated our Gulf Coast, and Ray will not be, I want to let you know, Ray won't be putting out any videos for a few days here. We have friends and family that need our help, and that is our main priority for the next few days at least. Today's Friday. We're going to take a few days off because we have friends that need our help, and luckily our house and our property was unscathed. Everyone's safe, thank goodness, and I just wanted to give everybody an update. It's sunshiny today, but the aftermath of this storm is going to take us some time. Anna Maria Island, which is my hometown. I was born and raised out there. From what I've seen, the pictures are very heartbreaking. It just flooded. The whole island flooded, and there's a lot of people that stayed out there, but everyone is safe that I know, all of our friends, family, and it's really eerie to see some of those pictures and how much that water has dramatically changed the landscape. Luckily, Ray and I are far enough away from the water to have not had any damage. We've had a little bit of wind damage and some rain, but nothing compared to these poor people that lived on Anna Maria Island and that whole Gulf Coast. On Monday, we'll be resuming our repairs, and hopefully Ray will start pumping out some more videos next week. We do have a full shop, and we are very fortunate that we did not sustain any damage to the shop. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a great day.